issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Seminole County in east central Florida, northern Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Orange County
Don't over there.
Florida, southeastern
We need to
Orange
start for down
County in
here.
east central Florida, northeastern Osceola County in east central Florida until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from late down to near Christmas to near Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Port Orange, Titusville, Rocklet, New Smyrna Beach, and Edgewater. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before...
Where is this? This is new.
Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of eastern Seminole.